We gathered here today to mourn something that was once full of promise, full of hope. DevOps. You tried to make developers to care about infrastructure. And you also tried to convince operation folks to be enthusiastic about daily stand-ups and writing Java code. You brought us continuous delivery, yes, but you also brought us continuous pain, 24/7 duty, and Jenkins jobs held together by duct tape. You will be buried next to your old mates. Microservices done right, the hyperscalers, agile at scale, and of course, that one person who said, "Oh, DevOps, it's just easy, it's just Jenkins jobs, and everything will be fine." Rest in peace. Let's be honest, DevOps was delivered as a cultural movement, as some sort of empowerment. But it was delivered as a corporate restructure, with branded colors, better job titles, and a self-service portal that never really worked. And with the Jenkins or Azure Pipelines portal, for which to understand you needed to have at least a PhD. Let's be honest, DevOps was sold as a cultural movement, but it was implemented almost as yet another corporate restructure, this time with better colors, better dashboards, and better job titles. It was about empowerment, by way of a blame. You build it, you run it. Which sounds like a good idea, does it? Well, up until the poor developer who was coding throughout most of the night and sitting through hours and hours of agile ceremonies during the day is forced to solve the problem because somehow Reddit exploded at 2 a.m. in the morning, no one is available, and he just opens a Stack Overflow and tries to log into that poor thing to keep it alive. So of course, developers being developers, what they would do, they would respond with the most natural way, and that is create a duct tape script that fixes everything, gets never documented, but is now a part of the Jenkins or Azure production pipeline to check that thing every couple of minutes to keep it alive. So in order to prevent that, some genius thought, okay, let's build a platform and let's set up different paths from those platforms to the target environments, especially to production, the glorious golden path, so that we prevent developers and literally anyone reboot the production systems and applications via Slack commands. Enter platform engineering. What is then the platform engineering? Explained poorly. So it's basically DevOps productized, treating developers as customers to keep them happy. But it's still the same developers. It's still the same operations folks. And now in the middle we have the glorious self-service portal. But also now we've got platform teams. Who are they? They sit between devs and ops like a badly drawn Venn diagram with abstraction and anxiety. These platform teams, build the internal development platforms, because clearly hiding the mess underneath the bed is more effective than fixing it. It's like flying a golden glorious unicorns over a landfill and calling it curated experience. What did I just say? I'll keep that in. That's sounds relevant, isn't it? Does it? Oh, and if you say golden path 3 times into the mirror, suddenly out of nowhere, a product manager will appear and say, cool, but can we deploy that with the good old Jenkins pipelines into Kubernetes, please? And so here's the inconvenient truth. Because maybe we finally realized that the developers really aren't interested and excited about diagnosing the load balancer problem within the SSH session open and with the Grafana dashboard on and with the 3 or 5 tabs of Stack Overflow to try to figure out what the heck is going on in there. It's a way of saying, oh sorry, that whole Jenkins and Azure pipelines glued together with Kubernetes cluster is somehow something that really needs an extra care and not a team of developers to look after. So dear developers, you are now our customers. So here's a dashboard with the 2 buttons, and just click those 2 buttons and you're sorted out. Thank you, no thank you, you are welcome. So, is platform engineering an admission of failure of DevOps? Absolutely, no doubt about it. And as it is with many failures in the tech industry, it's now tied to a 6-figure job and a quarterly roadmap that no one is really interested to follow. In some organizations, not in all organizations. Of course. It's not so badly implemented by everyone. Is platform engineering better than DevOps was? Well, yes, of course, marginally better. Is it perfect? Come on, nothing is perfect, especially not in the big world of the technology industry. Nothing's perfect and nothing will ever be. Why? Because it still uses the do everything.sh bash script, which is then gloriously scheduled via Jenkins pipeline or Azure pipeline, which basically is being used as a glorified scheduler instead of cron on the native system platform, because you get a better dashboard out of that. But hey, at least we are finally not pretending that every developer wants to learn how to HELM during lunchtime. Please comment below how many command line tools your golden path really uses, and please be honest. And if your platform uses do everything.sh script, I'm lighting a candle for you. This one is to send off the DevOps to rest in peace and to the success of platform engineering. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, I'm pretty sure you would like this next one as well. What I wouldn't do for a funny, sarcastic, skeptical techie video.